lot of times you meet someone and you tell them that you're Moroccan, and the first thing they say is, oh, the tea, the Moroccan mint tea. I tried it before. You have to pour it from really up high, but it's too sweet though. That's exactly what we're doing today.
The handmade Moroccan teapots are beautiful, but those are really made for guests. Most Moroccan families, they make tea twice or 3 times a day, so they need a lot simpler, a lot more practical teapots, something sturdy and easy to clean. For the tea itself, if you can't find any Moroccan brand, use any Chinese gunpowder green tea you can find. The gunpowder really refers to how the dry tea leaves are pressed into tiny pellets. This has nothing to do with explosives. My pot can hold around 650 ml or 22 fluid ounces, and so for that you need 2 tablespoons of tea. Pour in a cup of hot water. Let it sit for a minute. Then pour it into a cup. This is the essence of the tea, and we will save it for later. Pour in another cup of hot water. Swirl it around. Then pour the water into a cup and toss it. We only need to save the first cup. Add 35 grams or 1.2 ounces of sugar, the essence of the tea, and then fill up 3/4 of the pot with hot water. On medium-low heat, bring the tea to a boil. Take it off the heat and add a beautiful bouquet of washed fresh mint, and your tea is technically ready. Now, before you serve the tea, you need to mix it. So pour a cup and then put it back and do it at least 3 times. And now pour your mint tea from as high as you can and enjoy.
Tastes like home, a little bit. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. If you don't like this video, feel free to comment and say why. In Morocco, it's actually a very delicate subject, so there are people who like it in a very specific way. There's always a person in the house that makes it best. There's always a sign to make the tea. And so, again, I'm pretty sure there are people who watch this video and think like, that's not really how we do it, or we like it with more sugar or less sugar, or we like it darker, or we like it lighter. And so, but yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.